But what is the life of a devotee? The life of a devotee is hearing, chanting, remembering the Nam, Rup, Gun, and Lila of Krishna. Sometimes sadhus sit together for 7 days and hear the glories of Krishna at Sukartala. And Sutta Goswami is speaking, and all the sages are listening to the Bhagavatam. And I mean, that's later, but I mean, Shukamuni also spoke for 7 days to Parikshit. I think I'm convinced that the more we hear about Krishna in all different kinds of ways, eventually it sticks on our heart. As I was mentioning about whitewashing the wall, you have a cement wall, it's all black cement, but as you paint one primer coat of white, I still see some gray coming through. Oh, give it a second coat. Oh, a second coat. And pretty soon it's all white. So this is the principle of Chaito Darpana Marjanam. It doesn't come overnight. But as we hear and chant and remember Krishna, we're whitewashing the walls of our heart. Because the walls of our heart, this wall is full of anger. This wall is full of envy. This wall is full of greed. This wall is full of lust. Oh, I'm just sitting in the middle of this dark room called my heart. I'm sitting in the middle of a dark room, not for developing photographs. The Atma is sitting in the middle of a dark room called my heart. So that's the Chaito Darpana Marjanam. So Mahaprabhu said the walls of your heart have to be cleaned. So this is the best way. The best way to clean the walls of the heart is to paint it. So this is why we're hearing these things. And Lord Chaitanya spoke these words, and why they're for us to hear and repeat.